video again? It's your boy Javon, and I'm back. And I'm saying this like I'm doing it so by myself. And we are back with another video. As you guys see by the thumbnail, by the title, we're gonna be doing a little prank.
When we do that,
yeah, you know I love doing a little intro. But so guys, as you guys see by the light, I'm in the same what?
Hold that, baby, cause it's
I'm in the same clothes. All right. The prank that I did before was all me. I got you good, huh? I got her good. But literally, as I did that prank, right after, she came up with a prank. But not on me, though. You know what I'm saying? We're still in the same clothes, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, we still got the chips right here. That we just came up with this prank. Literally just. So we're gonna be doing a prank on her mom and then grandma. Yep. I won't be in the camera. I'm just being in the intro. So basically, you guys see right here, right? This some all the chips and shit, the chip marks, and I don't know if you guys see the chip marks and all that stuff. So basically, we're gonna take a picture. We're gonna send it to
my mom and my granny, and
then then you gonna act like that I beat her and abuse and all that stuff. You know, basically, this how did this have the title now?
Abusive boyfriend prank on granny and mama.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. So I won't be in the video. I'm gonna go clean up all this stuff, but I'm not in the intro though. She gonna do this video on her grandma and her mom. So make sure you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, turn the notification bell on, and you guys need to see, man, this is your video. So
okay, so basically guys, I'm going to send this picture that Javon took of me to my mom and my granny. So we're all on like this chat, and we are in the same chat together. So I'm gonna send, oh, should I do it on tape too? She's in the same chat.
Oh yeah?
I'm sending to all three of them. They are so protective. I'm gonna send it to them, and then we're gonna get their reaction. They're gonna video call whatever, because they're gonna want to see it and stuff like that. So yeah guys, let's get this prank started right now. All right guys, so I went and I put blood on my lip to make it seem like I got a busted lip. So right now I'm finna go ahead and I'm finna to text them this picture, and I'm gonna send a picture of my lip too. Boy, that's gonna set them off. Y'all look. Alright, here I go. I'm nervous because I know what their response is gonna be. I'm sending it. Alright, let's see who's gonna view it first. Come on, man. I'm being beat over here. Y'all taking forever. Nobody. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, so I can hurry this along, I'm going to call them myself. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put eye drops in my eyes, just so it looks like I'm crying. So hold on guys. There's the tears. Here we go. Hold on, let me screen record. 3, 2, 1. It's recording. I need somebody to come get me.
Where you at? Where are you?
I'm at Javon's house.
Well, I'm on my way. This better not be no prank, because if it is, I'm gonna hurt somebody. Shavon.
Ma'am?
Is your lip really busted? Okay, I'm on my way.
Huh?
Huh?
Where mama go?
She got off the phone. She wasn't going to come home.
Where's she at work?
Yeah, who hit you in your mouth?
Me and Javon got into an argument. He hit me and he left.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
How we get in the gate?
I'll meet you.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm on my way.
Okay. That wasn't long at all, y'all. Should I call him back? My mama was at work. I did not know she was at work. Let me call him back. I'm gonna stop it. Y'all, my mama hung up the phone. Let me call her back. Oh gosh, Granny gonna come over here. Babe! Javon! Oh gosh, she gotta hurry and come. Javon, come here, hurry before they come. Come here before they come. Mama and Granny. Huh? Come on, we gotta tell Mr. Prank right now. Cause Mama at work. I didn't know she was at work.
And what happened?
And Granny said she coming right now.
They believe you?
Yes. Mama didn't even stay on the video that long. Granny she probably halfway here. Oh my gosh. Mama, where you at?
I'm coming. I'm on my way.
No, Mama.
Is that a prank?
It was a prank. I didn't know Mama was at work when I started this.
So I don't need to come.
No, ma'am.
Y'all don't need to play that crap with me, cause I'm coming to get you, but I'm gonna call the police while I leave that damn place. That's what I said in my mind. And he would have been gone. Tell Javon his ass is lucky.
He hear you.
Javon, don't play. Tell her don't play that. Don't play with me. Y'all play with everybody else. Don't play with me, okay? Cause that is how hard you got down there, little boy. I'm trying to tell you, don't you mess up my granddaughter. And Shabon.
Huh?
He's doing it because you doing it. You stop playing that him go along with you on this stuff. Now you better be glad I'm driving. I can't send y'all no emojis or whatever you call them things. Cause it was, I'm telling you, I was on my way. And I'm just bringing with respect because I got angry. I got to control my anger. See, don't do that with me no more, okay?
Okay, Bobo.
And I said that better not be no friends. You got my heart. Y'all got my heart going. I'm telling you. Don't do me like that no more.
Okay, I'm sorry, Mom. I love you.
And Shamika know she was gonna bust that shit while she got off the phone.
Yeah, I'm about to call her. Make sure she don't come from work.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Look at me. I'm trying to close the phone off and mashing the doorbell for the girl. All right, bye.
Bye. Dang, I thought Tay was gonna answer too.
Oh, she didn't answer?
Nah. Tay was been like, I'm on my way right now.
You still need me?
Yeah. I didn't know she was at work.
Yes, ma'am.
What you doing?
I'm at work.
You know it was a prank, right?
Yes, that's why I hung up.
Oh, okay. Okay.
You didn't even have blood on there, right?
For real?
For real, you should have had something in your mouth.
Oh, no.
I'm just saying.
It was just like cause he had did a prank on me a while ago, and I was like, oh, this look like you beat me. So I was like, let me just do this prank on Granny and Mama real quick. And I was trying to do it on Tay too, but she didn't pick up.
Yeah, cause Tay is at work.
Oh.
Today is Friday. We at work.
My bad.
Yeah, I'll call you back.
All right, bye, Mama.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, so you only got Mama and Granny reaction?
Yeah. Tay didn't pick up. She at work. She working from home. So, alright guys, y'all saw the reaction. I think I got my Granny really good. I'm so sorry, Granny, to be doing this to you. I love you. We love you, girl. He didn't beat me. He don't beat me. Javon don't beat me at all. Cause if he do, y'all, he will be missing, okay? Period. That was their reaction. I was trying to get my cousin's reaction too, because my cousin, she my A1 day one. She my ace boo cool, my ride or die chick. So if I'm in trouble, I know she got my back. If she in trouble, she know I got her back, period. But anyways, guys, y'all saw the reaction to my Granny. This is fake blood. This fake blood. And this is my eye drops I put in that I use for my contacts whenever they get dry or whatever. But yeah, guys, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like this video. Comment in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel. And share this video. And yeah, guys, I'll catch y'all in the next video. My Granny, she is okay. She is okay. I'm gonna call her after I finish this video.